Hello everyone, in this video I am going to give you the practice program so you can check your knowledge about Python 3 course, whatever you have learned in this course. Okay, so here is the two programs definition. So let's start with the first definition. The first one is saying that write a program to write following input into the file and read that from file and compute that following. So basically meaning of this, you have to create one text file and put this input inside of that. Okay, so basically you need to create the text file. You can create uh, using Python code also, or you can directly create also. Okay, but you need to write the code for reading that files. Okay, and after reading the file you need to perform these operations. First one is how many numbers of lines in that text file. These lines are how many numbers of line you have put this inside of the text file. Okay, so you need to count this all the lines which are available in text file. Okay, you need to write that code to read the file and perform this operation. Number of lines, number of words, how many number of words are available in the file, how many numbers of characters are available in the file, and how many numbers of vowels are available in the file. If you will count this thing for this input, okay, then you will get this output. So you need to print this type of output. Okay, so this is basically a first program definition. So you need to read the file and perform this for operation on after reading that file. Okay, and your output must be this, and you can uh, pause this video and take a screenshot of this so you can uh, start working on this program also. After that there is a second program definition. So what this program definition is saying, so create a program to find a duplicates from array, meaning that how many numbers of duplicates element are present inside of this array. So for example, if there is a 1 2 3 5 are duplicates, so there are 4 duplicates element are present. Okay, so your output will be 4. You just need to count how many number of elements are duplicates in the array. Okay, so here 1 2 3 and 5 is duplicate, but also 4 is duplicate. So you need to count and write a program in such a way that you can get the count of duplicate element. Okay, so you just need to count the, if one is repeated then you have to consider as that is duplicate element. Okay, and after that you don't need to consider it as a duplicate. Only one time you need to consider that this element is duplicate or not. So I hope you have understood this program definition and perform this program. Okay, thank you.